The Clover Cube Plus is a non-WCA puzzle that was produced by Qiyi in mid-2018. It costs $17 on Cubes.EZ, about £12.5. In this video, I will talk about my thoughts on this cube and discuss whether it's worth buying. This cube is a bit more expensive than a lot of other non-WCA puzzles, but this is certainly justified by the quality and complexity of it. The cube turns really well, which is something you would expect out of a qiyi cube. You do sometimes get some lockups if you do the jumbling moves, but there is nothing too bad, and compared to other non-WCA puzzles, the turning and build quality of it is very good. The cube is also slightly bigger than a 5x5, and this large size is definitely a point to its favour. This cube can be awkward to turn sometimes, but the large size and good quality mitigates that issue a lot, so you can focus on the solve. This cube turns on its edges like a Clover cube, and also turns like a 2x2, which is what separates it from the original Clover cube. The way you solve this cube is solving the edge pieces first to reduce it down to a Clover cube, then solving the Clover cube as if it was jumbled while being scrambled. The solve is pretty difficult, and you will most likely need to watch a tutorial to be able to solve it, especially with the edges. It can take quite a while to solve, probably around the 10-minute mark for most people. Despite this, the solve does not seem tedious, as there are many steps, so you're not just doing one thing for too long. So that's good. So, should you get this cube? For some people, yes. If you are relatively experienced with non-WCA puzzles, you should definitely get this cube. It's more challenging than other cubes, which should be good for you if you've gone through a lot of easier non-WCA puzzles in the past. However, if you are very new to non-WCA puzzles, I would probably stay away from this cube for now. It can be quite daunting trying to learn a puzzle like this if you haven't solved a lot of non-WCA puzzles before, and that can mean you could end up just kind of ignoring this cube once you get it. So my advice would be to start with some other non-WCA puzzles that are easier and, possibly more importantly, less expensive, and then come back to this one eventually.
Okay.